Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 5th Yoga Part 2 Elements of Yoga. Patanjali described 8 elements of yoga in his classical work Patanjali Yoga Sutras. These are called Ashtanga Yoga. The 8 elements of yoga encompass all the practice necessary for the sadhak to gain health. These are यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि. Yam. Yam is the first element of Ashtanga Yoga. Yam means self-control, forbearance, or any great role or duty. It can be explained as attitude or behavior as well. According to Maharishi Patanjali, there are 5 yam. First, ahimsa. Ahimsa means one must keep away from causing harm to any organism or human being. Friendness, kindness, and thoughtful consideration of other people and things, including duties and responsibility too. It is more than absence or lack of violence. Second, Sat. Sat is an important yam. According to Sat, we must be truthful in thought, word, and deed. We must not tell a lie. We must abstain from falseness of any kind. We must speak the truth at any cost. Asat. Asat means non-stealing. The practice of asat implies not taking anything that has not been freely given. Non-stealing includes taking what belongs to others with permission. Fourth, brahmacharya. Not to take a diet that it stimulates sexual desire. Not to read pornographic or sex-related literature, and not to indulge in sexual relation is called brahmacharya. Fifth, aparigraha. Aparigraha neutralize the desire to acquire and save wealth. It signifies to take only what is necessary and not to be greedy. Okay, thanks to all.